Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Southgate local and long-distance movers near me. When you need to relocate 100 miles or further, you might want additional services such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We offer plenty of options for your long-distance move. When you need to relocate to a new state or across the country, our team will help take the stress out of your move. The right Kentucky Moving Company can make a local move simple. With the help of professionals, you won't have to lift that heavy furniture or worry about packing up a moving truck on your own. 3 Movers offers complete local moving services to save you time and energy. We streamline the process to make it easier for you to get moved into your new location faster and with less to worry about. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Southgate moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.